How to add subdomains in Hostinger. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can add subdomains in Hostinger. To do it, you have to log into Hostinger first. You can use your email address, your Facebook account, your LinkedIn account. Even you can use your email address if you wish to. For now I am using the Google account. So after logging into Hostinger, I will show you the list of steps. Here you can see the domains option. There is a domain portfolio, get a new domains, etc. So first of all, you have to connect a domain to your Hostinger website, and then under emails, here is the emails, and under it you'll be able to find the subdomains option. Let me find it. And then you can easily find these options here under the emails. Here you can see the domain section, and there you can see the subdomain. So after tapping onto subdomains, you can create your own subdomain. You can enter your subdomain's name. You can even create custom folder or subdomain for it, and then simply tap onto create. Then after creating, tapping onto create, here is the link and here is your subdomain. So this is as simple as that. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you onto another video.